we're going to be doing a charging speed test on this brand new 11-inch M5 iPad Pro. The power brick we're going to be using is the brand new 40-watt dynamic power adapter with 60-watt max that launched alongside the iPhone 17 series. This power adapter also now supports the brand new fast charging feature on the brand new M5 iPad Pros. Both the 11-inch and 12.9-inch or 13-inch, I guess they're calling it now, support the brand new fast charging, but only with either this power adapter or any USB-C power adapter that can supply up to 60 watts. But for this video, we're going to be using the 40-watt dynamic power adapter with this 11-inch M5 iPad Pro. Now, Apple claims you should be able to get 50% in 30 minutes using the 40-watt, 60-watt dynamic. We're going to charge this thing up right now to find out if that's the case. So we're going to be using this 40-watt dynamic power adapter with the cable included in the box, and that should give us the full charging speed of this power brick. Let's see if Apple's claims of 50% in 30 minutes are true. Now, in the box with the iPad Pro, they do not include this power adapter, obviously. In the box, they include a 20-watt. That will not give you the fast charging. For the fast charging, you need the 40-watt dynamic or any power adapter that is capable of up to 60 watts. And before we begin the test, I also want to say I do have an Amazon storefront. It's linked down below along with the products used to create this video. And just to show you, right here, I have a perfectly installed brand new ESR glass screen protector on this iPad Pro with zero bubbles, zero dust under the screen. I got a perfect install on the first try, and they give you 2 in the box. So I have an extra just in case I break this one somehow. But yeah, I got this wonderful ESR screen protector on. It's nice and smooth. Feels like the real screen, to be honest with you. And I have this Spigen Smart Folio type case on here that allows you to prop the iPad up in both this orientation and a keyboard typing orientation where it's tilted like this. So I also have MagSafe accessories on my Amazon storefront along with USB-C cables, power banks. Like I said, the equipment used to make this video. I have cases for the iPhone 16, iPhone 17 series, as well as screen protectors like this for the iPad and screen protectors for iPhone as well. So if you'd like to support the channel and support my ability to keep making videos like this, please feel free to check out my Amazon storefront, link down below. Thank you guys very much, and let's get into the charging test. Alright, so as we begin the charging test here, I just want to show you that you can indeed see that this iPad is completely dead down to 0%. Now I'm going to grab the cable, I'm going to plug the iPad in, and I'm going to start the timer on this iPhone 16 Pro Max. And boom, there we go. Our iPad is now plugged in. We can then get an Apple logo on screen. And I'm now going to start the timer on the 16 Pro Max. And I will see you guys in 5 minutes. Real quick, I forgot to mention in the beginning of the video, we will be charging this brand new M5 11-inch iPad Pro to 80% just because I prefer to only charge whatever device I can to 80% to limit charge cycles on the battery over time. So once again, we will be charging from 0 to 80%, not 0 to 100. Alright, so we're at the 5-minute mark, and our 11-inch iPad Pro managed to go from completely dead 0% to 9% in just 5 minutes. Very impressive considering this is an iPad. I'll see you guys in another 5 minutes. Alright, so here we are at the 10-minute mark, and our 11-inch iPad Pro has went from 9% to 18% in 5 minutes. So we're at 10 minutes total from 0 to 18%. That is very impressive. I'll see you guys in 10 minutes at the 20-minute mark. So we made it to the 20-minute mark now with this 11-inch iPad Pro, and we have officially reached 35% in that additional 10 minutes. I'll see you guys in another 10 minutes at the half-hour mark. Alright, here we are at the 30-minute mark. Now remember, this 40 to 60 watt dynamic power adapter with the brand new iPad Pro fast charging advertises 50% in 30 minutes, and we managed to get very slightly above that at 52% in 30 minutes. That gets a thumbs up for me. I'll see you guys in another 15 minutes at the 45-minute mark. So here we are at the 45-minute mark, and as you see, our iPad has reached 70% in just 45 minutes. I'll see you guys when the battery is at 80%, because like I said before, I prefer to limit my charges to 80% to lessen the amount of battery cycles put on the battery over time. In my opinion, and from my experience, it does help reduce battery degradation, especially over a long period of time, because obviously the less cycles on a battery you have, the better. But I'll see you guys once we hit that 80%, only 10% away. And here we are, our iPad is just about to hit 80%. And as you see, it hit 80% at 57 minutes 42 seconds, and we are going to add an extra 8 seconds because I started the timer 8 seconds late. So that gives us a total of 57 minutes and 50 seconds to get this iPad Pro 11-inch M5 from 0 to 80%. Once again, 57 minutes, 50 seconds. Alright, so that wraps up this charging test on the brand new M5 11-inch iPad Pro. We were able to go from completely dead 0% to 80% in 57 minutes and 50 seconds, as you can see on the bottom of your screen, using the 40 to 60 watt dynamic power adapter from Apple. Pretty impressive number, if you ask me. I'm not gonna lie. I mean, I was expecting it to actually take slightly over an hour, maybe like an hour 20, but 57 minutes is an incredible time for this iPad to get. Once again, that's also 50% in 30 minutes with the brand new fast charging on this iPad Pro. But that's going to wrap it up for this test. Let me know what you guys thought down in the comments. I'm going to have the 40 to 60 watt power adapter linked in the description. I'm going to have the Spigen case on my iPad in the description, as well as the ESR screen protector linked in the description, as well as my Amazon storefront itself, where you can find all the other products that I'm promoting on there. Anything you purchase, I will receive a small commission that will go towards the channel and obviously support the channel, and it will not cost you anything extra. And with that, I'll see you guys later. I hope you enjoyed the charging test.